Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a few different exercises for your tennis elbow and golfer's elbow, also known as lateral epicondylitis and medial epicondylitis. So how do you treat these kind of injuries? Well, at first you need to unload the area and unload the tendon. So if you sit by the computer all the time, you need to get some pauses, and you don't want to, for example, take anything heavy a long way from your body. You need to work close to your body to relieve some pain and stress on the tendons. After that, we want to strengthen the muscles up. So unload, stretch and strengthen. So for the tennis elbow, the lateral aspect, if you want to stretch it, I usually take my hand behind my back, and here I want to put some pressure and straighten my arm out. And I also want to rotate outwards. Then I get a nice stretch on the outside underarm. You can also do it in your standing if it's hard to get behind your back. That's another one. Or you can even do it on your table at home, or for example as I do here. And you hold this stretch for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times. And you can do it both in the morning and the evening actually. Then we have the stretch for the golfer's elbow or the medial aspect. Then you can do it like this. Just stand like that. Or you can put it like this. Same thing there, 30 seconds and repeat 3 times. So when you now have stretched out the muscles, I want you to strengthen them as well. And we're gonna work in the eccentric phase. So for the golfer's elbow, I'm gonna sit with a good posture, and I'm gonna help up and work it for 3 seconds. So very slow. So you only work the eccentric phase in the beginning. And for the tennis elbow, you do the same procedure but on this side. Help up and 3 seconds down. And you can do this for 15 reps and 3 sets. And then we want to do another exercise where you can hold this. Same thing here, eccentric. Same there, 15 reps and 3 sets. Let's say you have done your strength for the day and your stretches. Then in the evening, if you have a lot of pain, you can also use some ice package or even a friction massage it for 10 minutes. The muscle fibers go this way along the underarm, so you work massage on the other side. When these exercises gets very easy and you still have some pain, then we need to strengthen them further. But now we're gonna use it more dynamically. So you do the same exercises, but you do it dynamically. So you work both faces. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it will relieve some pain if you have tennis elbow or golfer's elbow. My name is Larsson, and I'm a physiotherapist based in Sweden. Comment down below what you want me to tackle next. And don't forget to subscribe and like to support the channel. Take care.
I don't wanna let myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand.